Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here at IMTEX 2025, hall number 3A, booth number B102. We are at a beautiful booth of Marposs, and I have got an old friend, and it's good to meet you, Raman.
Thank you,
at
Dinesh. Thank
IMTEX.
you. Always pleasure to meet you.
So, Raman, what are you showing us at this show, and what are the new responsibility you have been assigned? Tell us more about IMTEX, the product, and what you are doing here.
So, thank you, Dinesh. Thank you for being here. Uh, in IMTEX 2025, we have dedicated three particular sections. One is for the in-process gauging.
Okay.
That is what we call the machine tool unit.
Okay.
That is on other side.
Other side.
Then we have the post-process gauging. That is when the process is being done. That is also on that side. We have a new technology display, new technology and new solution displays also,
Okay.
which I am taking care of.
Mhm.
So after that, we do have one Make in India bench also, because this time we are promoting Make in India.
Ah,
So our tagline for this time is Italian innovation made in India.
Italian innovation made
The
in
technology
India.
is from Italy.
Correct.
We are making
In India.
some of the gauges here in India, some of the customized gauges. Moving on to further, if you ask about my role, so currently I'm working as industry manager for EV biomedical.
Okay.
Now from this month I have been assigned a new task or opportunity or responsibility to look after aerospace and defense division also.
Okay. So earlier you used to be sustainable
Yes.
and healthy, and now you want to do everything in the sky.
Now I'm gonna fly. Fly also.
So what all solution you have there?
So currently, what we are showcasing for the EV, this is the solution which we are particularly showcasing for EV is this is the leakage testing of completely sealed battery cells.
Okay.
So once the cells are completely being manufactured, electrolyte is being filled into it, and the cells are completely sealed.
Okay.
Then we have the machine through which, the point of having the electrolyte tracing is if there is a leakage from electrolyte, and if that leaked electrolyte cell will roll out into the module or packs or into the market after that, what will happen when it will come in contact with atmosphere due to high, and when it will charge discharge, it may catch the fire.
Okay.
So again, one life loss is far too many.
Yeah. Let's come this side.
So what we can do is we can have the leakage testing of particular cells to ensure that there is not at all electrolyte leakage, so that we should not, life can be saved, and we can move forward in having the perfect sustainability environment.
So and today is day 3. So
Yes.
you must have met many clients. I know you have to rush for the airport. I know you are leaving.
It's okay. Yes.
Yeah. So, what is the response you have get? What sort of
It
clients
was
you have?
good. It was good. Though the first day was little
Slow. It's
slow, but
Thursday.
yes, yesterday and today the crowd is really good. The crowd will increase in. This is generally happens in IMTEX.
Yes.
Whenever IMTEX starts, the crowd is slow.
Yeah.
Then suddenly, suddenly it took pace.
Yeah,
So
it's
Saturday,
like-
Sunday is the highest crowd.
Correct.
We do feel so, but we believe that the same crowd will remain for throughout the next week also,
Okay.
and we hope to have the good businesses from the clients, and good to see you in your Nama Bengaluru.
And lastly, your message to our readers. Anything you want to say?
Definitely. Not only the readers, Dinesh. My message to every viewer: subscribe to Dynamic Manufacturing Magazine. Subscribe them on LinkedIn. They are doing a great work, and stay healthy, stay safe.
And see you soon at Samurai Award 6th edition.
Yes.
This time you have to be there.
Last time also I was there. Thank you.
Bye.